Space is fake. Why would you
Yeah.
say that? Space is not fake.
Basically, well, the moon landing I don't think ever happened, and then
Really?
since then we.
The moon
Yeah.
landing never happened.
Oh yeah.
What do you mean?
That's like, well, you
How
can go down
come?
that rabbit hole. Well, okay. There's a couple problems with the moon landing story. First of all, they said after they came back, they destroyed all the proof that they ever went. They also destroyed the technology to go back, and all the proof that they actually showed was basically just video. So in terms of like video, it's pretty low quality, like shady video, and there's problems with it. Like for example, there's supposed to be just one light source, like the sun, because they're in space. They didn't bring external lights and shit to set up like a stage on the moon.
Earth also reflects.
Yeah, but there's shadows going in like vastly different directions, which just does not happen if there is a singular light source like the sun. The shadows are going completely sideways. It's just stuff that they didn't really think about. It was the 60s, and it was like their first time doing like, not first time, but they were doing like video manipulation, you know, but in the 60s. So it's kind of just shitty and bad. And again, the story is they destroy the technology to go back, and we haven't been able to rebuild it in 50 years.
Like, people actually saw the rocket go into moon. Like we
Oh,
actually saw
they
the
saw
rocket
the rocket
bomb
leave
shit.
Earth. They saw the rocket
Yeah.
leave Earth. I'll agree with you up until there, but does the rocket truly go to space? No.
Yes.
It goes off the coast of Florida right into the Bermuda Triangle, which is this lie that they've invented, this super secret, super dangerous place right off the coast of Florida. Look up where the Bermuda Triangle is, where they say like technology doesn't work. We've never seen drone footage of it. Ships don't return from there. It's just literally just a place in the ocean where the missiles land.
All right. No, I get you. Okay, so you know the rovers we have in Mars, and the rovers we have like far away, which gave us images
Jupiter
like from really.
But it's images from a computer, right?
So if you can send something in the specific direction you want to send a robot, it's very similar with humans. You just gotta do the calculations and send it to the moon. Like it's not really impossible.
I'm just saying though that the proof of the Mars rover being on Mars is non-existent. So we don't know it's on Mars, and by my reckoning, the rocks look exactly like the rocks from Devon Island in Canada. You can literally Google Mars rover Devon Island, Canada, and it'll compare you the photos of what Mars is showing us and like what's here on Earth. So to me, it's like it's just computer images, you know, like that's not proof for me, and equations and math isn't really proof for me either. Like I want to see one of the 10,000 satellites spinning around Earth. I want to see a live stream footage of my globe Earth spinning from space. Like that's all I want to see. And we don't have that in 2025. But Elon Musk is saying we're going to have men on Mars, but we don't have a live feed video of Earth
I mean,
yet.
but could you really see it spinning with your human eyes, though?
If it were spinning at 1,000 miles an hour, which they say it is, yeah, I bet it'd be spinning fast as fuck, right? Like, if you could be watching a live stream of Earth throughout the day, you'd see it spin the whole time. Like they say, Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, but you wouldn't feel it. You ever been in a car like 100 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Imagine 10 times faster than that.
I was kind of distracted. So, wait, you're saying we can't feel the Earth spinning? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, I understand there's relativity. I'm just saying, like, logically, I would expect us to feel it spinning. My body, yeah, basically. And I understand there's like relativity.
That's because when a car accelerates, it's accelerating, so you feel acceleration. When it's at a constant speed, you know, I saw a video a few days ago of 4 hot air balloons like holding kind of a field, and people are playing football on it as if it's on the ground. That's because it's not accelerating; it's at constant speed, so you don't feel anything. So when the Earth speeds rotates at this, what is it called? Constant speed.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't feel
even
it.
Even if I grant you that, though, what I would like to see then is an experiment that can prove it is spinning. Even if I say, okay, sure, we wouldn't be able to feel it if.
Okay.
But
no, that's good. That's good.
You know, so I started looking for experiments of like proof that Earth is spinning, and it's very, very difficult to find ones that are honest in terms of like there just are none.
Okay. Wait, let me kill this guy first. Headshot. when you look from a telescope to the Jupiter slowly moves to the right, and then you recenter it, it again slowly moves to the right. It shows you
because the sky is
Earth
moving.
is spinning.
No, it shows you the sky is moving. Why would we come to the conclusion? Because the lights in the sky are moving over. Like
Oh
when
no,
the
that's
clouds,
just an example. Like I
Well,
saw this
okay.
video yesterday.
when the clouds are moving over your head, are you thinking that the
Oh,
Earth
no,
is
no.
spinning?
No.
When the sun goes past your head, it's the Earth spinning backwards away from it, is what they say. It's not the sun is passing over your head. They say Earth is spinning away from the sun backwards at 1,000 miles an hour. And it's giving the illusion as though perhaps it were a local sun that was passing over your head. But my whole thing is that we're not flying through space. There is no motion. The main thing is if you like watching the stars, our constellations haven't changed for all recorded history. And Polaris, our North Star, hasn't moved for all recorded history. There are people who believe that 20,000 years ago we had a different pole star. And if you Google, has Polaris, the North Star, changed? It'll say that 20,000 years ago, yeah. But guess what? Nobody knows what the fuck happened 20,000 years ago. Most people don't know what the fuck happened 300 years ago. We don't have that good record keeping, let alone like, you know. What we do know though is for all of our history and for the last like 2,000 years, 4,000 years, our constellations haven't changed even a little bit. Our stars aren't changing. Our stars aren't changing at all. It's the same constellation, the same zodiac signs. The night sky is split into 12 major zodiac shapes. And our ancestors mapped those out thousands of years ago, and they're still accurate today. The stars are in the same exact thing. They're not getting further apart. They're not getting closer. They're not getting brighter. They're not moving at all. If you do the math on how fast we're moving through the solar system, it says that the sun is flying through the solar system at 500,000 miles an hour, so 500,000 miles an hour. If you do the math, 500,000 miles an hour times 200 years, it's over like 2 trillion. So allegedly, in 200 years, we've moved trillions of miles in a different part of space, but our constellations are the exact same. Every single star is the exact same. And they say, well, it's because they're so far away, they're just going to appear to not move. But again, yeah, of course, that they have a cover up, they have an answer for everything. It's just that it's not really a real answer.
Well,
Like,
the
it's not
answers
really
make a
proof.
lot of sense, though. I mean,
Yeah, a lot of it doesn't really make a lot of sense though. When you realize, like, for example, 96% of the known universe, they say, is made up of like dark matter and dark energy. And it's like, that's yet to be proven. That's literally yet to be proven.
yeah.
Like, so, and they say it's what's contributing 96% of the mass to the universe, but it hasn't been measured yet, and hasn't been identified yet, hasn't been isolated, hasn't been used in an experiment. And that's what space is made out of, like 96% of it.